This is one of those forecasts you need everybody to stop what you're doing and pay attention to. We have a lot of details to get through. And over the next few hours, we do have a wintry mix that is setting up for us. We are flirting with freezing right now in most of the area, and that presents some icing issues potentially as you go out and about. Now, keep in mind, I'm showing the road here because we have had rain today, and temperatures are right around freezing, but the road surface temperatures as of right now, I've been checking around on the Ohio DOT site. Road surface temperatures are mid-30s and upper 30s. This is great news. So as we go through the night, bridges and overpasses, steps, decks, porches, you know where I'm going with this. That's what's going to freeze up first. We do have some wintry mix that's coming down. There's the big picture. The bulk of the rain stays south, but the cold air is pressing in, and that's when things start to get a little funky as far as the precipitation type. It's a very colorful radar for you this evening, everybody. The green is rain. The salmon color is your icing glaze. Purple is a mix and also some sleet in there, and then you get into this rain snow. Basically, everything is on the table right now because we have the temperatures at the surface that are right at freezing, so some freezing rain is a possibility. It is now 32 at the Cuyahoga County Airport, same for Ashtabula, just above freezing elsewhere. But as we go through the next few hours, the temperatures will be cooling, and all of the standing water, all of the water that's on the ground will start to freeze up. So there is the possibility for some slick spots later tonight. The good news is this is going to be moving through relatively quickly. We still have a snow chance on top of all this that comes through tonight, maybe a quarter to a half inch, so just a coating of snow. But by midnight, look at these temperatures in the 20s. That's going to freeze everything up. We have cloudy skies, mid and upper 20s for the start of the day tomorrow, but the snow is out of here. What are your eye alert possibilities for tomorrow? Not too good. All right, get the homework done, unfortunately. We're going to break out into some sunshine midday tomorrow, and then clouds start to increase tomorrow evening. Dun, dun, dun. That would then lead us into the bigger story, which is coming on Wednesday night. So 34 for tomorrow, mostly cloudy, evening snow, and it does look again like we're going to see some sun. Now let's talk about Wednesday night and Thursday. That's when this next round gets here. This thing is coming at us from a long distance. Direction, track, timing is everything on this. That being said, look at how the warnings and advisories are lining up. It is basically a projection right into northeast Ohio. We have significant concerns for icing potential across northeast Ohio. On a scale of 1 to 10, Wednesday night's impact is probably a 6. We'll start with snow, then it changes over to sleet and freezing rain. Remember, sleet, the little ice cubes, those are frozen raindrops. Freezing rain is rain that freezes on contact. That's the glazing. We have that possibility on Thursday. So an icy mix then will change back to snow through the day on Thursday, and we are looking at a significant part of northeast Ohio as being impacted by this. It will start as snow. We start 8 p.m. Wednesday. This is tomorrow evening. Snow moves in, but then we get some warm air aloft that comes in, and that's when you start to get that change taking place. Look at this, 3 a.m. I know a lot of us are in bed, and that's not a big deal, but remember, the road crews have to try to keep up with this. This sets us up for the morning commute then Thursday, which looks like it could be complicated. Hopefully the rain will back off for a little bit, but the problem is it comes back periodically through the day on Thursday. Ultimately, it is not until Thursday night that everything changes back over to snow, and we continue with some snow in your Friday forecast in your Universal Windows Direct Outlook. There's your icy mix to snow on Thursday. Again, Thursday is our day of most concern right now, and then by Saturday, a few snow showers, nothing we can't handle before we start to see temperatures rising again late weekend and into next week. Definitely something to pay attention to. I would not be surprised if we have alerts, whether it's a winter weather advisory or winter storm warning, maybe even an ice storm warning. It depends on how tomorrow's models set us up for Wednesday night and Thursday. We're watching.
This is going to change throughout the day, as you said.
It's already changing. Yeah, the main heart of the storm is clear down in Texas, so it takes some time to see exactly how it's going to work out, but it's definitely a concern.
And you're right, Cedar Point does now seem like 10 years away as compared to when you first started your weathercast.
Sorry.
Thank you, Betsy.